Fastest way to create short videos for TikTok using Crayo AI. Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I'll show you step by step the fastest way to create short video for TikTok using Crayo AI tutorial. Crayo AI is a powerful tool designed to help users create engaging short videos quickly and efficiently. Whether you are new to video creation or looking to streamline your process, Crayo AI offers a user-friendly platform perfect for creating content for TikTok and other social media platforms. This tutorial will guide you through the basics of using Crayo AI to create short videos, ensuring you can start producing high quality content in no time. So why we use Crayo AI? First, we have ease of use. Crayo AI's intuitive interface makes it accessible for beginners. For speed, we have quickly generate videos without extensive editing knowledge. About quality, produce professional looking videos that capture attention. For efficiency, we have save time with automated features and smart templates. So to understand, first step you need to do is dive into Crayo.ai. So this is the homepage of the fastest way to generate short videos. Create unlimited short videos at once. Auto generate captions, effects, background, and music for you. So how looks the homepage? It's like that. I have your homepage, my projects, my uploads, video editor, generate story videos, generate voiceover video, generate text to image video, all script generated, as you can see. Then we have from idea to short videos in seconds. Create a limited short video at once. Auto generate captions, effects, background, and music for you. And we have three types. First, you need to write an outline. Start with writing scripts using a prompt or using template suggestion. Here we have select your story topic, clockwork detective or guardian of whispers, journey to Avier. Select also story tone, funny, mystery, horror. Here we have also how much word you want, the max word you want. Then we have customize and style. Select background video, voice and music from templates. You select your font style, the quick brown fox over the. You select story background. You have William made, Henry made, mail, Jason mail, as you can see. Then we have finish and export. Choose export format and download generated video, script or narration. Also some information. Here we have, as you can see, automate videos in seconds, also subtitles, all script generator. You have here background video, select custom background from templates, as you can see. Have also multi-purpose video, create videos for different platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. You can also AI image generation, create AI image with your prompt, bring your ideas. You have also video editors, edit your videos with full-fledged AI powered video editor and take your videos to next level. Video filters, also we have edit your video and apply tons of filters. AI voice narrator, we have bring your stories to life using our powerful AI voice narrator. Ultimate tool for social media growth. We have here create unlimited short videos at once, auto generate captions, effects, backgrounds, and music for you. We have here Instagram Reels, turn Instagram Reels into exciting content by adding gameplay to keep viewers entertained. We have also TikTok videos, use AI to make money from the CPB program by creating entertaining content using Crayo. Fastless content, create a video using just a script and create a captivating content. Also we have Reddit stories. Use AI to take a Reddit story and turn it into an AI generated video. Have YouTube shorts, create YouTube shorts using AI voice over script generation to help you make content. Instagram Reels, use AI creators or Crayo to make content for you rather than using your own face. Our customer, we have create limited short video at once, auto generate captions, effects, background and music. Here we have some comments of people who have experienced Crayo. So let's know also the pricing plans. We have three plans: essential plans, clipper plan, pro plan. The first one we have 19 for each month, $90 for each month. We have includes 20 AI videos, 25 scripts, 30 minutes of voiceover, 100 AI image. The second plan we have 39 for each month, includes we have 50 AI videos, 100 scripts, 60 minutes of voiceover, 250 AI images. The second one we have $79 for each month. Includes we have 125 AI videos and limited scripts, 120 minutes of voiceover, 500 AI images. That's for each month. For each year we have here 160 for each year, 327 for each year, 664 for each year. Here we have year, not month. So you can just get started right now. So this is the home page. We have here Crayo dashboard, Crayo editor, my projects, my exports, my assets. Great, we have split video, story video, text video, blog video, shop GPT video, voiceovers video. Tools we have AI image, AI voiceover, AI avatars, AI brainstorm, YouTube download, TikTok download. More we have affiliate, Discord. As you can see, we have here generate story video, we have generate AI text to image video, generate voiceover. Popular apps we have split screen video, fake text video, AI avatars, also voiceover story, download YouTube video. All you have to do right now is just start and sign in. You write your name here and type your email, and then you sign up. You can also use continue with Google also. Then you start creating and you pay and you start your videos. Here we have in generate story video, create an AI generated story video. About generate AI text to image video, we have create ChatGPT like image video. About generate voiceover, we have make high quality voiceover in second. So Crayo AI is an excellent tool for beginners looking to create short, impactful videos for TikTok. By following this tutorial, you'll be well on your way to producing professional quality content quickly and eventually happy creating. So this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.